Hey guys, Tiki Mask you, and I'm gonna try to summon Island Shack once again, but it's really late. My brother's still up. I don't want anything to happen to him, so let's just get started anyway. Okay, so Island Shack, come take my kidney. Island Shack, come take my kidney. Island Shack, come take my kidney. Okay. Let's see anything right offhand. But, oh my god, it's dark. Nothing really happened. Hopefully nothing happens. Yeah. Nothing's probably gonna happen. That's a vacuum. I need my kidney. And I'm gonna be freaked out. And I'm probably gonna make it home. But yeah. So I really hope that I don't die. Usually I try calling a bunch of people, but it hasn't worked. I'm really upset that nothing has worked for me, that other YouTubers have had things work for them. But yeah, I'm planning on trying to summon Masky. Just want to get my ear. But yeah, guys, I have a slender sickness because what are you doing? Go back to your video. But yeah, I've been having my gills, I've been seeing things out of the corner of my eye. I've been paranoid for no reason. And I've been hearing things. I've been feeling in my ear. And yeah, guys. Luckily my brother's still awake. I'm Kelly. No flipping, no flashlights around me. Okay, that's weird. I think I'm paranoid for no reason. But yeah. So I'm gonna get back to you guys later because I'm gonna try to summon the Hylian. Jeff the Killer. Yeah, I'm definitely paranoid for no reason. But yeah. Okay, got my flashlight. Trusty flashlight. TV. Hopefully I don't die. Sometimes you're bored. I'm just bored, so I'm gonna tell you an origin story, or just a little bit about the creepypasta character who's my friend Wolf Level and Tuckle Level 08. So I am used to saying Wolf Level 08. So she probably knows these, but if you guys don't, he was one. Masky. He was a best friend to Brian or Hoodie, and then he became a proxy for Slenderman because he got the Slender sickness, and then Hoodie actually wasn't a victim of the Slender sickness. But yeah. So I'll let you guys on a little secret. So I honestly feel like this is weird, but you know that if you look through all the proxies of Slenderman on Safari or Google, let's just say I looked it up and it said Tiki Toby was the only proxy for Slenderman. Hoodie and Masky actually never came into contact with the Slenderman, even though it's real because Masky got the Slender sickness, and that's how the story says he became a proxy of Hoodie. So yeah, right now I'm just being a little weirded out. But yeah, I don't wanna listen to Slender, that's why I always ignore it says, but my brother was in the bathroom tonight. I don't know what happened to me. I just got up, turned on my flashlight, and grabbed a knife, and went. What are you doing? I am recording you. I'm being abused. But yeah. So I went to, I think something possessed me. So when I put a knife over my veins and went to start cutting, but then my brother came out of the bathroom. I put a knife down, and that's how I got stopped and became unpossessed, thanks to my brother. But yeah, that's all I have to say for now. Kaden, are you going to bed? Okay. Nope, anybody. Good night, guys.